Hey, this is Dr. Dan Purser, danpursermd.com. I'm here at University Mall in Orem, and this place is crazy. There's a cow, there's a giant bunny. So I just want to announce the month of April methylation sale. The entire month we're going to sell 3 bottles of Renew or Endure for $100, free shipping. Also, we're going to have the Foundation Methylation Genetic Kit for $50 off. Wow. And the Pro 7 genetic testing, which shows for anxiety, depression, mitochondrial errors, things like that, for $100 off. That's insane. We're gonna lose money on that. Why would you do that to me? And we'll also have the amazing MTHFR Tiny Vites that are crumbly. They didn't do them right at the plant. They didn't press them hard enough to keep them together, so they're a little crumbly. Our loss, your gain, $25. This is Dr. Dan Purser. Have a happy Easter and buy lots of stuff. Bye.
I know my body